Hello dear students, myself Alok from EduToddler Team. The aim of our team is to make you guys a pro learner. Be with us for short lecture and depth knowledge video. Today our topic is knowing our numbers from NCERT math book of standard 6. In our previous session, we have already discussed about place value and face value in a number, method of numeration and conversion of numbers. If you have not gone through that video, please watch that video first, then follow this one. In this session, we are going to discuss about formation of numbers, second one estimation of numbers, and last one, that is Roman numerals. Formation of numbers. How can we form a number using some digits? Using some digits, we can find the greatest number and smallest number. How can we find? Here, 6 digits are present, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That means we have to find the 6-digit greatest number and 6-digit smallest number. How can we find? If to find 6-digit greatest number, we have to find the greatest digit present among this. In this number, the greatest digit is 9. So we have to write 9 first to find the greatest number. Then we have to arrange this digit descendingly. That means we have to write 6 after that and 5 after that. Then we have to write 4. Then we have to write 2 and then 1. In this way, we can write the 6-digit greatest number. How can we read this number? Put a comma here, put a comma here. The number read as 9,65,421. This is the number formed by this digit, greatest number. Then come to smallest number formed by using this number. To find the smallest number, we have to consider the smallest digit. That means this one. 1 is smallest digit among this. Then we have to write the digit in ascending order. So after 1, we have to write 2, then we have to write 4, then we have to write 5, and after that 6 and 9. Here we form the smallest 6-digit number using some digits. We will read this number as 1,24,569. Again, 1,24,569. So, how can we find number present between two numbers? To find, we have to consider the line. Let us consider an example. Find total number between 3 and 11. How can we find? First count. Here is 3, here 10. We have to find the number present between 3 and 11. So count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 is the answer. To find the number as this number right in places, so we have count. If the number is the largest number, then we have not write in line. So we have to follow a rule, that is the total number equal to greater number minus smaller number minus 1. By using this rule, we have to find the total number present between two numbers. That means in this question, we have to use greater number is 11, smaller number is 3 and minus 1, then answer is 7. Here also we got 7. Then consider another example. Find total number present between 100 and 300. Then here 300 is greater number, and 100 is smaller number minus 1. Then we got 199, and this number is present, this number is present between 100 and 300. So then comes to conversion of larger unit. The conversion of larger unit has a necessity in our day-to-day life. In our daily life, we are dealing with so many units, that means kilogram, gram, liter, milliliter, kilometer, meter, centimeter, etc. The conversion will help us in solving some problem in day-to-day life as well as in our educational life. So, we have to read it properly and clearly. You all are read it before, but here we have read it again and remember all these things. So here 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. Then 1 gram is equal to 1000 milligram. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter, while 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Then 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. Then after that 1 kiloliter is equal to 1000 liter, while 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. So to understand this, let us take some example. We know 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram, so 15 kilogram is equal to 15,000 gram. We know 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters, so 4 kilometers is equal to 4000 meters. Similarly, we know 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. So 1 centimeter is equal to 1 by 100 meter. So 50 centimeter is equal to 50 divided by 100, that means 1 by 2 meter. Similarly, 2000 meter is equal to 2000 divided by 1000, that is equal to 2 kilometers. So, for clear understanding, we have to solve a question regarding this. So, the question is, a pen company produces 10 pens in a second. Then, how many pens it will produce in an hour? So, before solving a question, we have to focus on the data given in the question. So, here, the data is number of pens produced in 1 second is equal to 10. That means 10 number of pens was produced in that company in 1 second. So we all know 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Also know 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So 60 minutes is equal to 60 seconds into 60 seconds, which is equal to 3600 seconds. So the number of pens produced in 1 hour is equal to 10 into 3600 is equal to 36,000. As number of pens produced in 1 second is 10, so number of pens produced in 3600 seconds is equal to 3600 into 10. So hence 36,000 number of pens are producing in an hour by the company. Then come to conversion of larger unit into smaller unit and smaller unit into larger unit. In case of conversion of a larger unit into smaller unit, we have to use the multiplication. But in case of conversion of a smaller unit into larger unit, we have to use the division. So let us take an example. First, conversion of larger unit into smaller unit. Here we take 293 meter into conversion of 293 meter into millimeter. So see how can we convert. We know 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. we also know 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. So 100 centimeter is equal to 10 into 100 millimeter. Here we have multiplied 100 here in left hand side, also 100 in here in right hand side. So we know 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter is equal to, after multiplying this we got 1000 millimeters. So we get 1 meter is equal to 1000 millimeter. So according to the question, 293 meter is equal to 293 into 1000 millimeter, that is equal to 293,000 millimeter. Here is the answer. So next move to conversion of smaller unit into larger unit. Here we take an example that is 24300 centimeter into meter. We all know 1 centimeter is equal to 1 by 100 meter. So 24300 centimeter is equal to 24300 divided by 100 is equal to, here 2020 cancels each other, then we got 243 meter. It is the answer. So in this way we can convert the number, larger number into smaller number and smaller number into larger number. Then come to our next topic, estimation of numbers. What do you mean by estimation of numbers? It is also known as rounding of numbers. Suppose we have to tell the number of people attending the meeting arranged by a politician. So here we have to tell the approximate number. That means we have estimating that this number of people attended that meeting. So for estimation, we have to follow some rule. We will see here how can we rounding off the number nearest to 10. I have written it systematically. You can go through it. See here. Consider the digit present in ones place, then check whether the number present in ones place is 5 or greater than 5. Then you have to add 1 to the number present in tens place. Then you have to replace the number in ones place by 0. Let us take an example. 27 is a number. How can we estimate this number? So first you can consider the number present in unit place, ones place. Here it is 7 and it is greater than 5. So we have to add 1, the number digit present in tens place, that is 2. 2 plus 1, 3. So 27 is approximate to 30. Let us take another example. In 348, 8 is present in ones place. So it is greater than 5. Then we have to add 1 to the number present in tens place. That is 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. So 348 is approximate to 350. Then we are moving to another part, that is if the number present in ones place is less than 5, then no need to add 1 to the number present in tens place. Now the number present in tens place remains same. Then replace the number in ones place by 0. Let us take an example. I take here 32. Here in 32, 2 is present at ones place, so which is less than 5. So we no need to add 1, one which the number present in the tens place, that is 3. So 32 is estimated as 30. Let us take another example. 3434. In this number, 4 digit is present in ones place, which is less than 5. So no need to add 1 to the digit present in tens place, that is 3. So this number is estimated as 3430. Now come to estimation of numbers nearest to 100. Here we have to consider the number present in tens place. Then same rule is followed. The number present in tens place and ones place is replaced by 0. So to understand this, we have to consider an example. Now let us take an example. 273 is a number. We have to rounding of this number. In this number, 7 is present in tens place, which is greater than 5. So we have to add 1 to the digit present in hundreds place, that is 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. Now replace the number or digit present in tens place and unit place, that is 273 is rounding off as 300. So let us take another example to understand clearly. 329 is a number in which 2 is present in tens place, which is less than 5. So no need to add 1 to the digit present in hundreds place, that is 3. So 329 is estimated as 300. Let us take another example. 5692. To estimate this number, we have to consider the digit present in tens place, that is 9, which is greater than equal to 5. So we have to add 1 to the digit present in hundreds place, that is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. Then replace the digit present in tens place and unit place by 0. We have estimate the number 5692 as 5700. Clear? Now come to our last topic, that is Roman numerals. Here we have been using the Hindu-Arabic numeral system so far. That means 1, 2, 3, 4. These numbers are used in Hindu-Arabic numerals. But this is not the only system available. One of the early systems of writing numerals is the system of Roman numerals. This system is still used in many places. For example, we can see the use of Roman numerals in clocks. It is also used for the classes in the school timetable, etc. Now, let us take some example to understand this. In Roman numerals, 1 is written as I, 5 is written as V, 10 is written as X, 100 is written as C, 500 is written as D, while 1000 is written as M. The rules for the systems are, we have to follow some rules. These rules are, first rule, if a symbol is repeated, its value I is added as many times as it occurs. That is, we know I is 1. If 2i is there, then its value is 1 plus 1, that is 2. We know x is 10, but if 2x is there, then its value 10 plus 10, that is 20. If 3x is there, that is 10 plus 10 plus 10, that is equal to 30. Then come to second rule. A symbol is not repeated more than 3 times. We never used 4i or 4x. This is not possible. But the symbols V, L, D are never repeated. Then come to third rule. If a symbol of smaller value is written to the right of a symbol of greater value, then its value gets added to the value of greater symbol. Let us take some example to understand this. Vi. We know V is equal to 5 and I is equal to 1. If I is smaller, if I is written to the right of V, then we have to add 1. That means 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. Then come to next example, that is x double I. We know x is 10, I is 1, 10 is bigger than 1. So we have to add 2 to 10. 10 plus 2, that is 12, which means x double I is equal to 12. Then come to fourth rule. If a symbol of smaller value is written to the left of a symbol of greater value, then its value is subtracted from the value of greater symbol. Let us take some example. That is IV. Here I is equal to 1, B is equal to 5. As I is written to the left of B, we have to subtract 5 minus 1, that is 4. That means IV is equal to 4. Let us take another example, that is IX. In IX, X, we know X is 10 and I is 1. So as I is written to the left of X, that means bigger value. So we have to subtract bigger value to smaller value, that is 10 minus 1 is equal to 9. Then come to last rule. If the symbols V, L, D are never written to the left of a symbol of greater value, that is V, L, D are never subtracted. The symbols I can be subtracted from V and X only. The symbol X can be subtracted from L, M and C only. That's all. I hope you all understood the topic covered by me. If you have any doubt regarding this, then you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you. If you have not gone through our previous lessons, then click here. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for video tutorials on math and science from class 6 to 10, and press the bell icon for upcoming video notification. Thank you.